Students, I welcome you all to my channel. So here is a video for you on arithmetic progressions. So in continuation with the previous video, so I have written 3 questions here. So for what value of n are the nth term of APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 are equal. Next question is find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 and the last term here is 253. Third question is the sum of the 4th and 8th term on AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and the 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 term of the AP. So I am taking the third question first. The fourth term, so A4 is called A4 plus A8. The sum of the fourth and eighth term is equal to 24. तो ये बन गया A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24. So 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. 2 से डिवाइड किया तो A plus 5D is equal to 12. Equation number 1. Next is the sum of the 6th and the 10th term. So A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. So A plus 5D, A plus 9D is equal to 44. So 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. So A से डिवाइड किया 2 से A plus 7D is equal to 22. Equation 2. So comparing the two equations, so A plus 7D is equal to 22 and A plus 5D is equal to 12. Subtract किया तो 2D is equal to 10, D is equal to 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So put the value of D in equation first or second. So I am taking the first equations. A plus 5D is equal to 12. So A plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. A plus 5D is equal to 12. So D is 5. So A plus 25 is equal to 12. So A will be 12 minus 25. That is minus 13. The first term is minus 13. So we have to find the first 3 terms of the AP. So first 3 terms on AP will be the first 3 terms of the given AP will be, so A is minus 13. मैं पहले symbolic लिख रहा A plus A is the first term, then A plus D, A plus 2D. These are the 3 terms. So A is second is minus 13 plus D is 5 and A, so minus 13 plus 2 into 5, तो ये बनेगी, so minus 13 minus 8 और ये हो गया minus 3. These are the first 3 terms of the AP. So A इसमें है minus 13, D है 5 और first 3 term है minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. So this was the last question here written थर्ड क्वेश्चन। यह क्या था? Find the 20 term of the AP. The next question is find the 20 term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 and the last term is 253. The AP is given AP is 3, 8, 13 and 253 is the last term. So A is the first term is 3 and the last term is, so L is 253. So D will be A2 minus A1. So 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. So we have to find the 20th term from the last. So that will be, so 20th term from the last will be equal to L minus 20 minus 1 into D. So L is 253 minus 20 minus 1, that's 19, D is 5, 253 minus 95, so ये आ जाएगा 158. So ये हुआ इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर. The 20 term from the last for this AP will be 158. अब जब हम पीछे से इधर को आ रहे हैं तो हम माइनस करेंगे. ये माइनस किया मैंने यहाँ पर. सो फ्रॉम द लास्ट फ्रॉम में से माइनस किया. जब हम राइट साइड में जाते हैं तो प्लस करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट AP 63, 65, 67. So A here is 63 and D will be 65 minus 63, that will be 2. Second AP 3, 10 and 17. So A is 3 and D for this AP is 10 minus 3, that is 7. अब हमें निकालना है कि what value of n, the nth term of these two AP are equals. So nth term of first AP, nth term of first AP is equal to nth term of second AP. So फार्मूला क्या है nth term का? A प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. इसके लिए भी वही फार्मूला A प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. अब इसकी वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे. फर्स्ट AP के लिए A की वैल्यू है 2, n माइनस 1, D है इसके लिए, सॉरी A है यहाँ 63, फर्स्ट टर्म इज 63 and D is 2. इसके लिए A है 3, n minus 1, D है 7. अब दोनों इक्वेशंस को हम यहाँ पर 63 प्लस 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें. 2n माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 3 प्लस 7n माइनस 7. सो 7n के हमने इधर लिया तो 2n इधर ले लिया, माइनस 2n. तो 63 minus 2 minus 3 plus 7. So ये बना 63 plus 7 70, 70 में से माइनस किया 5 तो आ गया 65 और इधर हो गया 5n. सो 5n इज इक्वल टू 65, n की वैल्यू आ गई 65 डिवाइड बाई 5 दैट इज 13. सो the 13th term of these AP will be equals. The two AP is given, so इसके लिए हमें n वैल्यू निकाली थी, which the n value for this term, the nth term will be equal, means 13th term of these two AP will be equal. The next question is, Subha Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So started in 1995 and the salary was the initial salary and starting salary is the starting salary that is the A is rupees 5,000. So annual increment rupees 200, that will be the D, means difference, common difference for each year, that will be D. So D will be taken as rupee 200 and the AN, the last salary drawn is last salary drawn in the nth year rupees 7,000, means therefore A is 5,000, so D is 200 and that AN is 7,000. So using formula AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D AN is 7,000, A is 5,000, n minus 1, D is 200. So taking 5,000 towards the sides of the 7,000, so 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to n minus 1 multiplied by 200. So 2,000 is equal to n minus 1 multiplied by 200. So n minus 1 will be equal to 2,000 divided by 200, that is 10. So n minus 1 is 10. So n is equal to 10 plus 1, that is 11. It means he is getting rupees 7,000 starting from 5,000 in 1995. So 7,000 is getting after 11th year from the start. Means if we include the starting year 1995, so 11th year will be so 11th year from 1995 will be, so 1995 plus 11 minus 1, because 1 is included for the 1995 is an included year, for the 11th year. So we have to include 1995 also for the 11th year. So that will be 1995 plus 10, 2005. So in 2005 he will be getting rupees 7,000 as the salary. So this is the answer for the question 2005. Next question. The next question is, find the sum of the following APs. I have written three parts. First part is 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. Second part is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 dash dash to 12 terms. And the third part is 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10 to 11 terms. So here we use the formula. First of all, I am writing the formula for sum. This Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn can be a plus L. So depending upon the given statement, so we will use the formula. So first AP is 2, 7, 12. So A is 2, D will be 7 minus 2, that is 5, and N here is 10. So therefore S10 will be 10 upon 2 into 2a. First I am writing formula here. So n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 10 upon 2, 2, a is 2, and again 10 minus 1, d is 5. So S10 will be 2 से कैंसिल किया, आ गया 5 प्लस 5 इंटू 4 प्लस 9 मल्टीप्लाई 5 इंटू 4 प्लस 45, 5 इंटू 49, 245. So that will be the sum for the 10 term of the given AP. The answer is 245. Next part. Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29. So A here is minus 37. D will be minus 33 minus 37. So minus 33 plus 37. So D is 4. So N here is 12. So S12 will be 12 upon 2. So 2 A here is minus 37. A is minus 37 plus n minus 1. So n is 12 minus 1 and D is 4. So इस कैंसिल किया 6, इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया माइनस 74, 12 में से 1 गया तो आ गया 11, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4 तो 6, minus 74 plus 44 तो 6 into minus 30, so minus 180. So S12 will be minus 180. The sum of the 12 term for this given AP will be minus 180. Next part, The AP is, third part is 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10. So A here is 1 upon 15. So D will be 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15. So LCM is 60. So 5 minus 4, 1 upon 60. So D is 1 upon 60. So N here is 11. So Sn, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S11 will be 11 upon 2, 2a here is 1 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1, d is 1 upon 60. So S11 will be 11 upon 2, 2 upon 15 plus 10 multiply 1 upon 60. 11 upon 2, 2 upon 15 plus 1 upon 6. अब इसका एलसीएम हुआ 30, तो आ गया 4 प्लस 5. सो 11 अपॉन 2, 9 अपॉन 30. तो ये 3 से कैंसिल हो जाता है, 3 से कटिंग हो जाएगी, तो आ गया 33 अपॉन 20. तो S11 here is 33 upon. So S11 will be 33 upon 20. So this is the answer for the third part. So next question. Next question is find the sums given below. The first part is 7 plus 10 is to 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dash dash dash, and last is 84. And here is second part is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus the last term is minus 230. So first AP is 7, 10 to 1 by 14, and the last term is 84. So A here is 7 and the last term is 84. So we have to find the, so first of all D will be A2 minus A1. So 10 is to 1 upon 2 minus 7. So that will be 3 is to 1 by 2, that is 7 upon 2. So this is a D. So D is 7 upon 2. And the last term here is 84. So we have to find the value of n. So An here is 84. So A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 84. A is 7 plus n minus 1 into D is 7 upon 2 is equal to 84. So 7 को इस साइड में किया तो n minus 1 into 7 upon 2, 84 minus 7, तो आ गया 77. तो n minus 1 multiply by 7 upon 2, that is 77. So n minus 1 will be 77. इससे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया 2 upon 7. So n minus 1 is equal to 22. So n is equal to 22 plus 1, that is 23. So therefore the 84 is the 20th term. So n here is 23. So we have to find the S23. So S23, n here is 23. So using formula, मैं यहाँ पहले formula लिखा S n is equal to n upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 into A plus L. So n is 23 upon 2 A is 7 and L is 84. So 23 upon 2, इसको ऐड करके आया 91. तो 91 को 23 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 3 2 3902. तो ये हो गया 2093 डिवाइड बाई 2. S23 विल बी, सो 2 से डिवाइड किया तो हो गया 2 से डिवाइड किया 10 4 6 1 अपॉन 2. सो हो गया S23. So 1046 is to 1 by 2. That is the sum of the 23 terms. Next part. Next part is given AP is minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, and the last term is minus 230. So A is equal to minus 5, 8, 2 is minus 8, so D will be A2 minus A1. So minus 8 minus minus 5, so minus 8 plus 5, so D will be minus 3. And the L is the last term is given minus 230. So nth term is, therefore AN is minus 230. So अब हमें निकालनी है वैल्यू ऑफ n. So AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So minus 230 is equal to A is minus 5, n minus 1, D is minus 3. So multiply with minus 3. तो 5 को इधर किया, so 230 plus 5 is equal to n minus 1 multiply by minus 3. 225 माइनस का बराबर हो गया n minus 1 multiply by minus 3. So n minus 1 will be equal to minus 225 divided by minus 3. That is 75. So n will be 75 plus 1, that is 76. अब हमें निकालना है sum of the 76 term. तो S n is equal to n upon 2 into A plus L. So S76 will be 76. So A here is minus 5 and L is minus 230. So 76 upon 2, so multiply minus 235. So S76 will be 38 multiplied by 235. को 38 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, 8 5s are 40, 24 plus 4 is 28, 16 plus 2 is 18, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 3 2 are 6 plus 1 is 7, 0 3 9 8. So minus 8930. So that is the sum of the 76 term for the given AP. Next question. Next question is in an AP given A is equal to 7, first part A is equal to 7, A 13, 35, find D and S 13. Second part is A12 is 37, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. So first part is A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35. So A13 is equal to 35. So A plus 12D is equal to 35. So substituting the value of 7, तो 7 plus A, substituting value of A, तो A की जगह आ गया 7, so 12D is equal to 35. तो 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. तो 12D is equal to 28 and D is equal to 28 upon 12. तो 4 से डिवाइड किया तो आ गया 7/3, कटिंग करी 4 से, सो D आया 7/3. अब हमें इसमें एक वैल्यू निकालना था D की वैल्यू होगी 7/3. अब निकालने S13 की वैल्यू. सो N इज 13. S13 के लिए N हो गया 13. सो Sn इज इक्वल टू A n/2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So n is 13/2 to A is 7. So 13 minus 1, D is 7/3. 14, 12 into 7/3, 13/2, 14, इससे कटिंग करी, ये आ गया 28. तो 13/2 ऐड करके आया 42, 2 से कैंसिल किया 21. तो 13 से आ गया, ये आ गया 273. तो S13 इज 273. तो आंसर विल बी और डी आया था 7/3. सो दीज आर द टू आंसर फॉर द फर्स्ट पार्ट. सो D is 7/3 and the S13 is 273. The second part, A12 37 and D is 3. सो A12 के लिए फार्मूला हो गया A plus 11D is equal to 37. सो A plus 11, D की वैल्यू है 3, 37. सो A plus 33 is equal to 37. So A is equal to 37 minus 33, that is equal to 4. So A की वैल्यू हमें निकालनी थी, A आ गया 4. अब निकालना है S12. तो N is 12. तो Sn is equal to n/2 into 2A plus 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So n is 12. So S12 to A की वैल्यू है 4. n is 12 minus 1. D की वैल्यू दे रखी है 3. तो कटिंग करके ये आ गया 6. 2 into 4 is 8. 11 multiply by 3. तो 6. 8 plus 33. तो 6 plus 6 multiply with 41. तो 6 2 4 6. तो S12 is 246. तो एक आंसर है S12 is 246 और A की वैल्यू थी A is equal to 4. These are the two answers. A is equal to 4 and S12 is 246. So students, I have given you solutions for some of the questions, and the remaining question will be taken in the next video. So I request you to share and like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.